Yvette's Kitchen. Today I'm going to tell you how you can make your own delicious guinea juice. Okay, so first you're going to strip your guineas, okay, and you're going to pour some hot water, allow it to cool, and then you're going to put it in the refrigerator. Okay, so you're going to take it out the next morning or whenever you're going to take it out, and you're going to juice it just like when you juice in the salsa, so you can get everything off, and then you're going to strain it. Okay, so here I have some right here that I did. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour some lemon juice and some brown sugar. Okay, and always remember, you can put it back in the refrigerator to chill. So I'm gonna have me this. So this is our delicious guinea juice with lemon. Okay, so let me have a taste. Wow, this is delicious and refreshing. Okay, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy your food.